If you suffer from diabetes, heart disease, or joint pain, you should try this wonderful fruit. People in the past didn't have medications by their side to treat their health problems. Instead, they relied on natural remedies, with a wide range of action, that didn't have any kind of adverse side effects, like prescription drugs have today. Recently, medication overdose has become a common problem for millions of people around the world. We are taking pills for every kind of pain that we feel, which can disrupt the natural balance in our body, and destroy our health. We have forgotten how powerful nature is, and that it contains all the essential ingredients that are vital for our health. Natural remedies work better than conventional medications, and help us in many ways without harming our health. There are many plants, fruits, and veggies that can help you treat various ailments effectively, if you give them enough time. Of course, they'll need to be paired with a healthy diet and lifestyle, which is also key for prevention of serious diseases. Today we're going to present a powerful fruit that can help you if you're suffering from joint pain, diabetes, heart disease, and other diseases and conditions. The fruit we're talking about is tamarind. Tamarind is a fruit of African origin that has spread throughout Asia and America in the Middle Ages. According to several studies, it is one of the best natural remedies against cardiovascular diseases. It contains antioxidants that can prevent atherosclerosis and cardiovascular problems, and other essential nutrients that can treat obesity and diabetes. The fruit blocks the alpha amylase in the body and reduces the absorption of carbs, effectively preventing the development of obesity and diabetes. The anti-inflammatory properties of the fruit can reduce joint pain and treat inflammatory diseases, such as arthritis and gout. As you can see, you don't need to poison your body with prescription drugs. Nature has an answer to anything, and can treat any disease you might be suffering from. My cousin's endocrinologist was surprised when 2 months after being diagnosed with diabetes, she returned for a test, and there were no traces of glucose in her blood. She only took the remedy 3 times a day. Diabetes is a serious disease, which affects millions of people around the world annually. The main causes of the disease are the unhealthy and sedentary lifestyle, as well as the high consumption of sugar, which results in increased blood sugar levels and insulin resistance. Diabetes is a serious disease. It can significantly affect your way of life, and make you unable to do your daily activities. The only successful treatment for diabetes are insulin shots, which you need to take your whole life. Pretty unpleasant, right? The shots will regulate your blood sugar levels, and keep them in check, which prevents other health problems. However, there's one natural remedy that can do better than insulin shots, and works without adverse side effects. Fermented green papaya is the remedy that can control your blood sugar levels effectively, and prevent the negative side effect of diabetes. Papaya is a tropical fruit that contains numerous essential nutrients, such as vitamins A and vitamin C, as well as potassium, and important enzymes. The most important enzyme in the fruit is known as papain. Papain can treat and prevent a wide range of diseases and conditions, while green fermented papaya offers numerous health benefits. The fermentation process creates active essential enzymes in the fruit that stimulates certain receptors in the cells to respond to insulin better. Fermented green papaya also contains a bioactive compound that has similar effects to insulin. How to ferment papayas? Peel the fruit and remove its seeds, then cut the central part out into 10 x 10 mm cubes. Now, make a salt and water brine, then put the pieces in a glass container, and pour the brine over them. Cover the bowl with a cloth so the mixture can breathe, and leave it for a week before pouring it in sterilized jars. To make sweet and sour pickled papaya, the process is the same except for the brine. In this case, you'll need to pour a mixture of vinegar, brown sugar, sea salt, and ginger over the pieces of papaya. Again, cover the bowl with a cloth, and leave it to ferment for a week, and you'll get nice pickled papaya cubes. Suffering from diabetes? Just boil these leaves and say goodbye to diabetes without any medications. Diabetes is extremely prevalent health condition and numerous people worldwide suffer from any form of it. It is caused by either lack of insulin produced by the pancreas or inability of the body to use it properly. The common symptoms of diabetes: itching around the penis or vagina, cuts or wounds that heal very slowly, blurred vision, feeling very tired, urinating more often than usual, especially at night, feeling very thirsty, unexplained weight loss. Diabetes may also cause poor vision, blindness, weakness, heart disease, kidney failure, erectile dysfunction in men, etc. Types of diabetes: Diabetes 1, also referred to as juvenile diabetes, occurs when the immune system mistakenly attacks and destroys the beta cells of the pancreas which produce insulin. Diabetes 2, also known as adult onset diabetes, occurs when the body is unable to properly use the insulin or there is a lack of it. Gestational diabetes affects pregnant women, especially in the second trimester of pregnancy. You have probably heard about many natural remedies which help keep sugar levels in the blood in check, but the one presented in this video is extremely effective. The recipe calls for mango leaves, which are already known for their health benefits. Mango leaves are abundant in vitamins, minerals, enzymes, and antioxidants. They have the ability to treat various health issues, such as diarrhea, insomnia, asthma, fever, colds, bronchitis, and varicose veins. Moreover, they strengthen the blood vessels and lower blood pressure levels. Recipe: Instructions: take 10 to 15 mango leaves and boil them in a glass of water. Let them stay overnight. Strain the liquid in the morning and consume it on an empty stomach. Doctors are shocked. This drink can cure diabetes in just 5 days. We give you the story of a man who was dealing with hypertension and diabetes for 4 years. His health condition required that he lives on medication. But he managed to improve his health condition with a simple drink. The doctors could not believe his results. Natural healing and raw diet regimen helped this man the most. You see, it is quite possible that you restore your health completely. The man found out about his bad health condition after he was dealing with constant thirst. When the doctor did the regular checkup, he was in shock. The man's blood sugar was 29, and the doctor said that his pancreas was not performing its function at all. This usually requires that patients take insulin regularly in order to live longer. The prescribed therapy was quite complex. The man took his insulin regularly and did sports. But that did not help. His condition got worse, and he developed other health problems, too. The medications he took raised his triglyceride levels to 16, and his blood pressure was somewhere between 150/100. The New Year's Eve made him turn another page in his life. His decision shocked the doctors. Dr. John Zerdam was guest of the Edge of Science show on TV. The doctor was on raw food diet for 12 years. This show actually helped the young man change his dietary habits. He got himself a blender, and prepared the drink that shocked his doctors. The first week was full of temptations, but the man handled him. He soon noticed some positive changes, and his blood sugar dropped to 5. No medication helped him get results like these. He stopped administering insulin, because the foods he ate did not change his sugar levels. He would go back to his insulin treatment if the sugar got up, but this never happened, and he even lost weight. He managed to lose 5 pounds in 25 days, and the man kept losing weight. After 4 months of going raw, he lost 10 pounds, took no insulin, his blood pressure was 120/70, and his triglycerides dropped to 14. The man did not take any pills, and was healthier and happier than ever. Here are the ingredients he used for the recipe: 5 bananas, 2 apples, 2 kiwis. A handful of kale. Preparation: transfer the ingredients in a large bowl, and pour in half a liter of water. Drink half of the juice in the morning, and finish it throughout the day. Extra tips: eat more fresh fruits, fruit salads, and tuna. It is packed with vitamin B12, and the body needs lots of it. You will never feel hungry, because your brain will be sure that you have filled your stomach. Try this juice, and remember, it shocked health specialists. You will soon notice major improvement.